Welcome to the Eye of Phoenix.
Hi guys, welcome to the Eye of Phoenix.
Today it's a lovely monsoony day, so we thought we'd go out for a drive and let's see where the drive takes us.
So I really wanted to pour down, so we can see the big, huge raindrops in here. Proper Indian monsoon.
It's nice and dark outside, and let's hope we can get the big fat raindrops.
Well, I mean, just imagine, it's 3 o'clock, it's nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's supposed to be scorching sunshine out there. It's absolutely fantastic. It'd be great if we turned that radio off and didn't have the Indian songs playing on the radio, would it?
Songs add to the backdrop, and that's not bad, but yeah,
we might be
better songs would be nice.
Better songs, and we might be in copyright violations as well. So, yeah, just need to be careful about what we put up on the phone.
So we are outside, just outside our residential complex, and we're taking the route to the highway, well, what's there going on. Now what you see is, it's not a lake, it's not a pond, it's sort of something in between, and it's brimming with water because we've had quite a bit of monsoon this year. And what happens is we have 3 of these, one next to each other, and in between there's some land, and the land is barely seen anymore because the water is overflowing quite a bit, but it still looks lovely, and that's where we live from the outside. And we're back in, and so we're now on the bypass, and as you can see, traffic is pretty light at the moment.
It's just getting more and more dark.
Yes, it is getting dark, and it's nearly 3, and this is the sky right now. It's beautiful. It's actually beautiful.
It's interesting how a lot of the cars, they haven't got their headlights or tail lights on. And yes, well, some have, but most don't. So we're being overtaken from the left for no reason. And it's just hope for the best. The visibility is pretty down, pretty low. So literally, they've got to be seen, and they don't make themselves seen as well. Okay, this is the traffic light. Hopefully, but this one doesn't have the counter. No.
There's lots of people waiting by the side. Waiting to stop.
This ain't gonna stop soon.
No,
this is just gonna get worse. Let's see the water. This is one of the flyovers, many flyovers which have been built across the city. This one has cut the journey time by at least 30 minutes. So if we were to go under, there'll be a lot of traffic and plenty of traffic lights. However, this one is just absolutely fantastic. Normally, there is no traffic on this. Today the traffic is probably even less because of the heavy rains, which you can probably hear has intensified as the tail lights on as well as the hazard lights, because the visibility has come down so much. You can probably see the surface water in the distance. But this bridge has been built quite well, so it doesn't accumulate much water on this bridge.
traffic on the other side, traffic building up on the other side.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Pretty strange.
Yeah. But maybe somebody stopped or broken down or something like that. Normally that's what happens here.
Yeah.
If somebody breaks down, or Mercedes, Lamborghinis, Rolls Royces, all of them. Motorcycles, we ride as well. We ride our BMW, which is from the UK. But there are Harley Davidsons, there are Kawasaki Ninjas, there are top-end Goldwing, everything. You just got everything in India today. So there is a lot of money about. Okay, there's waterlogging on this bridge. Hang on.
That's why everyone's on the right and we're on the left.
Okay, because I can't go because I won't let me go on my blind spot.
Just take it slow.
Yeah, this time was on my blind spot. Now the other one's on my blind spot. There you go. You heard that taxi driving there.
And there you can see the water building up on the sides of the road. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's If you see the tires, yes, the tires will have submerged. There you go. So it's going to get pretty worse if this rain continues. The city is going to be submerged, so people will be badly stuck, which is pretty sad. But can't be helped. We need the rain too. I was younger and I was growing up in India. We did spend a lot of time getting wet, drenched in the rain, simply because it was fun.
Yeah.
And I don't remember falling sick. So it's probably a myth that you will fall sick. But anything you overdo with,
Yeah.
of course,
Yeah,
you're bound to fall sick with anything that you overdo.
Oh, that's very true, yeah.
Yeah, bit of rain always helps. And fresh water. It wasn't this strong. The rain wasn't that strong when it started. Well, it was like waves and waves.
Well, we're actually waiting for some more.
No, the footpath submerged completely, so you can't really tell the road from the footpath. People have just taken shelter in the shop under these little shades. What they're eating? I want to eat.
What are you
I'm hungry. I don't know. I'm hungry. I want food.
I think let's not go into any side road. We just stay on the main road. Okay. Oh, there's more water on the other side than there's this side, which is good. I mean that's crazy water on the other side. I saw the car on the other side. There was like half its wheels were down inside the water, but here we've just got like a little bit, which is good. But
They don't care which side they're
that's true.
overtaking from.
There is one thing is there. I don't know if you've noticed. It's the first time actually I'm hearing hooting sound. Because one of the things, typical of driving here is the intense use of the horn, which has sort of been quite reduced because of the rain and probably lack of traffic on the road. Otherwise, maybe it's hundreds of decibels.
I'm just checking out the water logging everywhere.
Yeah. But you see the road on the side.
Okay, you just came out of there.
The roads on the side, they're completely submerged. It's standard. The tuk-tuk is trying to overtake us. Won't let us go forward. Nobody there. Just heavy rain.
I'm hoping there are no cars or bikes parked in front of
Let's hope
the
not.
shop.
Alright. No, I can't actually make out from it. It's after the light.
Yeah. There's a car.
There is?
There are a few bikes also.
There are?
Yeah. So we're on the way back now, and the rain has reduced tremendously. The best part about having rain is that the trees look so nice and green. They're so fresh.
Oh, new potholes on the road from the rain.
Let's be optimistic about the rain.
Well, I think there was that one place where there was tremendous amount of water and we were practically wading through that water.
Yeah.
That was.
But it wasn't raining then. It was on the bridge. When we were on the bridge, it was bad. It was terrible. Anyway, so it's nice and fresh now. So I like the freshness.